If we are in a place which is nearby a forest, we got a lot of folk art made out of wood. If we are near a place producing a lot of stone, we got a folk art producing stone. Shenzhen has no natural resource, but it has a gigantic electronic manufacture base. So people here, they experiment with electronics because this becoming the natural resource of Shenzhen.
Welcome to the Huaqiangbei Market, a gadget lover's paradise. Tucked into these tiny stalls, you can find the parts you need to make a new phone, tablet, or computer. You can design a hoverboard or come up with the next big thing. Think of this as the front office for the massive electronic supply chain that stretches across China.
It's not just a place to produce, but it's also as a place to find components, find inspiration, and finding a new way of doing things. So we walk around, there's component for everything. There's circuit board for everything, there's casing for everything. And if we want to create a new product, it's coming in and realize I can put all these pieces together. And with the back end of this supply chain, this will be ready to ship in a month.
This market is the beating heart of Shenzhen, a city built on the consumer electronics industry.
So Shenzhen was designated as the first special economic zone 30 years ago, as China wants to experiment with capitalism. Shenzhen is a city of 15 million people, but it's responsible for at least 80% of the electronics for 7 billion people. 97% of the PC and notebooks are produced in Shenzhen. Some 87% of the mobile phones are produced in Shenzhen, along with all sorts of other electronics. The density of the manufacture, the scale of manufacture here is unprecedented. This is the hub serving the whole world's need for electronics.
The Huaqiangbei market has long been known as a place where outsiders could come to secure components and contract for manufacturing. But over the last decade, it has increasingly moved up the food chain to design and engineer its own creations.
Shenzhen has a very big industrial design industry. 4,000 industrial design houses, 150,000 working industrial designers. So design is here, engineering is here, and this has been the advantage of the ecosystem. That's how this ecosystem can pop up anything coming to their mind.
Some of this innovation is easy to see. The Shenzhen-based startup DJI has emerged as the global leader in the drone market, thanks to the engineering talent and manufacturing base it has access to in its hometown. But some of that innovation happens without a big brand name or media story. It was the rapid experimentation and iteration around gadgets in places like Huaqiangbei that gave birth to the selfie stick and the hoverboard, which popped up in this market years before they became hits around the world. As Shenzhen evolves, so too has the outside perception of China and its place in the world's technology industry.
4 years ago, if any journalist come in and take a shot of this, the headline will always be China copycat, pirated iPhone. That has totally shifted in the past 4 years. Right now, the same footage, the subtitle is Shenzhen Innovations Future.